Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video of the F250 restoration, Today we're going to be doing a late night cold start of the old girl. Turn on my flash, give me a second, there we go. Late night cold start of the old girl. She hasn't been started and it is currently 13 degrees Fahrenheit in Iowa. So we're going to go ahead and give her a little start. So hopefully she starts, I don't know. She's an old cold-blooded machine. Here we go. Here, I'll put you guys in here. I think you guys are gonna watch the. Ooh. She runs. All right, I'm gonna turn these headlights off. We're back. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and back it up and see if she'll. Yep. Alright, we're gonna take it down the alleyway really quick. Alrighty guys, she seems to be, she's missing a little bit. The engine is missing. Yeah, she is definitely missing. She runs good. Gotta get new spark plugs put on her though. I also gotta get brakes on it. She does have only 77,000 on her. We're almost out of gas, so I gotta get gas. Charging at 14 volts. As we do know, we got the custom radio. Turn that off because I know that's gonna damage it. And then we got heat, which the heat is not on right now due to it just being started. So this is the interior. I gotta get her vacuumed out tomorrow. I'm gonna clean her up tomorrow. Turn off the brights, turn off the headlights. Interior, got the sub, got the amp. There's the amp, the sub is on each side. I'll go ahead and play the radio really quick for you guys. Hold on. There you go, there's the radio. Overdrive works, everything works. She shifts. Really good, actually. Alrighty guys, this has been another video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.